Hey, what's up everyone? I am Vashish Kapoor from vashishkapoor.com, and today we are going to talk about Contabo VPS. Earlier in my video, I have received so many comments that people have been receiving LCD master not found error while installing CyberPanel on a Contabo VPS. So I am here with a new way to install CyberPanel on a Contabo VPS with just one single command. So in this video I am going to give you a walkthrough on how you can reinstall the OS first and then install CyberPanel with a single command line. So let's go ahead and I will walk you through my dashboard and then I will install the CyberPanel. So here is my Contabo account, where you can see this is normal VPS large size, and this is another one which is NVMe. So I have already installed CyberPanel successfully on this VPS, but since you got an error, so I would like to show you how you can first reinstall the OS. So to reinstall the OS, you need to go OS reinstalls, and once you go to OS reinstalls, then you will find this option where you can only refresh. So this is the place where you can basically check the status of reinstalls. So right now I will go to manage and click on this reinstall option, and once you click reinstall option, it will only ask you for this, the operating system and which panel you want to use. Just we need the password right here. So you can type in the same password that you had previously, or you can change it right here and input it twice. Once you do, then you can just start the installation, and then it will give you a quick prompt. I have saved or remembered the password, and then go to start reinstallation. So now is the time when it will give you a fresh VPS server. So guys, at this point now you can see this VPS in OS reinstall section. As you can see, this VPS is reinstalling Ubuntu 20.04 and the status is pending. Once it is done, you can just keep refreshing this page and it will give you the progress. Once it is done, then you can log into SSH, and I will be back once it is done so that I can go through the single line command. So guys, after a minute you will be able to see this progress bar where you can see how much time it may take to reinstall the OS, and once it is done you can start installing it again. So guys, now as you can see, the status of this OS reinstall is finished. So I can simply log in to my server and use that single line command to install CyberPanel now. I will do this quickly. So go to your services, copy your IP address, right, open terminal. If you have a Windows PC, then you can use PuTTY to log into your server. Type this, search root at this, and then press enter. It will ask you to continue connecting to save the fingerprint. When you click yes, it will ask the password. So now I will paste the password right here and press enter. So as you can see, I am logged in to my fresh Contabo VPS server after reinstalling the OS on it. So now I can quickly find out this install CyberPanel. Now when you will search this thing, you will find the official website that has a single line command. So all you have to do is just copy this command, this one, installing CyberPanel, and this command you have to copy, and without any other command, not even apt-get update or anything, just paste this command right wherever you are right now and press enter. Once you will press enter, the single command will work automatically to do everything for you. Now we just need to do the inputs as we already did. So just type 1 for the install CyberPanel, and then install CyberPanel with Open Lightspeed. Press 1, enter, and full service for CyberPanel, yes. Now do you want to set up remote MySQL? No. And then enter to continue with the latest version, yes. Then it will ask you to set up the password. I will choose D and set up the password later. Then it will ask you to install these extensions, PHP extensions, Memcached, yes, Redis, yes. And then it will ask you to install kill the watchdog or not. I will just simply press enter to choose yes. Now it will take like 10 to 15 minutes to properly install CyberPanel on your server, and you will be prompted with the password and the access details. So I will fast forward this and get back to you once it is finally installed. So guys, as you can see, our CyberPanel is installed successfully, and this is the prompt I can see right after the installation. I can just type N and press enter, and now the credentials to log into my CyberPanel account is right above the screen. Right now the password is just 12345667, which I will actually need to change. So let's go ahead, log into our CyberPanel, and then I will give you a quick walkthrough on how you can change your admin password. You can see here in the menu from users to modify user, here you can choose the admin username and then type your first name, last name, email address, and now you can generate a strong password, copy it, use it, and click on modify user. Now you can save this password to a safe place, and this will be your admin password from now. I have added my referral link in the description of this video, so go ahead, use my referral link to sign up on Contabo VPS and get a new NVMe storage server. Thank you for watching this video. This was it from my side about installing CyberPanel with the new single command line on a Contabo VPS server with NVMe storage. And for this purpose, for this video, I used NVMe storage Contabo VPS with no extra cost. So go ahead, check out the latest NVMe storage cloud VPS server on Contabo. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. I'll see you in the next video.